Welcome, young explorers. Are you ready for an epic journey through the jungle? Today, we're meeting some incredible animals and learning about their unique sounds and behaviors. Get ready to see them up close and personal in stunning 4K. Let's dive in. Our first encounter is with the powerful jaguar. These magnificent cats are the third largest big cats in the world. Did you know their name means "he who kills with one leap" in the Native American language? Let's take a closer look at their beautiful spotted coats and learn how they use their stealth to hunt. Next up, we have the Howler Monkey, the loudest land animal on Earth. These monkeys can be heard from up to 3 miles away. They use their booming calls to communicate with other monkeys and mark their territory. Let's see how these social creatures spend their day swinging through the treetops. Here's a splash of color, the Scarlet Macaw. These beautiful birds are known for their bright red, yellow, and blue feathers. They're not just pretty, they're also highly intelligent and can mimic sounds. Watch them fly gracefully through the canopy and interact with their mates. Here come the gentle giants, the Asian elephants. These incredible creatures are known for their intelligence, memory, and strong family bonds. Let's follow a herd and see how they care for their young and find food in the jungle. Look at this mesmerizing green tree python. With its bright green scales, it blends perfectly with the jungle foliage. These snakes are excellent climbers and often remain motionless for hours waiting for their prey. Let's observe how they move and adapt to their environment. Don't miss the vibrant red-eyed tree frog. These little guys have bright red eyes and blue and yellow striped sides, making them easy to spot. They're nocturnal and are most active at night. Watch how they navigate their leafy homes and communicate with their croaks. Finally, meet the clever Capuchin monkeys. These agile little creatures are known for their curiosity and intelligence. They use tools and can solve complex problems. Let's watch them as they forage for food and interact with their troop. What an amazing adventure we've had today. We've met the stealthy jaguar, the loud Howler monkey, the colorful Scarlet Macaw, the gentle Asian elephant, the sleek green tree python, the vibrant red-eyed tree frog, and the playful Capuchin monkey. Each of these incredible animals has its own unique story and role in the jungle. I hope you enjoyed learning about them as much as I did. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe to KidZone Explorers for more wild adventures. See you next time.